Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use screen magnification on your Android phone. So let's get started. So for this, first thing you're going to do is start by going into your settings. Now from your settings here, you're going to look for accessibility. So it's going to be down below here. So go down here, right here, accessibility. And in the accessibility, you're going to look for the vision enhancement. So you're going to tap on that. And in the vision enhancement, you're going to see a couple options here. But if you go down a little bit further here is under size and zoom is magnification. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And once you do that, we'll have the option to turn this on. But we need to create first a shortcut. So let's go ahead and turn this on. And then from there on, we're going to tap on it to see how we want the magnification shortcut to turn on. So you can have by default, to select the accessibility button, which will show this little icon right here. You can select to use side and the volume up buttons to activate it, or you can hold the volume up and press it for 3 seconds to activate, or triple tap on the screen. So I'm going to leave it as is. And to show you how this works and how you would use it is simply you would tap on this guy or use one of these ways that you selected, and that's going to open up this zoom screen here. Now the zoom screen where you have this gear icon, you can actually move it around so you can go ahead and kind of see magnified version of that. And you can kind of go ahead and zoom in by using your fingers. So you can see I can zoom in or zoom out as well. And you can click on it to kind of also do adjustments accordingly. So if you want to adjust the scroll here as well. And to turn it off, all you'll do is go ahead and tap on the icon or do one of these options. It'll turn it off and it'll still be on. So next time you want to go ahead and use it, use your method of selecting, and then you can go ahead and do screen magnification and just move this around accordingly. You also have the option for a couple other things. For example, if you want full screen versus partial between the screen and the full, or one of these as well. So if you wanted to change it up, and then if you want to look around, there's a couple other options as well when it comes to magnification. So that's how you would use it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.